students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Eklavya Technosys. In this session, you learn how to print odd numbers from 20 to 1 using for next flow. So now come on the session. First, I will type the message on the comment to print odd numbers from 20 to 1. Then type the code CLS clear the screen. For loop counter variable a equal to 20 to 1 and need step minus 2, so it will declare value 2 times. 20 is the even number, so that's why change the 20 to 19. 19 is the odd number. What's the of the odd number? When you divide the any number by 2, then you got the remaining value 1. That means that number is the odd number. Then next step. We'll repeat the code again. CLS clear the screen. For loop a equal to 19 to 1. Step minus 2 a. Then the next step. Then it goes to the next counter variables. Then you run it. Click on run. You got the start option. The shortcut key is Shift plus F5. Click on that part. Then the output. On the black screen, you are able to see the output 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. So all it's the odd number. So this program in this way display the odd number from 20 to 1. Thank you to all of you.